Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on following directions. In this video, kindergarten students will be introduced to some basic words that are used to describe directions. The following are some of the basic words used when giving directions. The first one is forwards. The boy is walking forwards, so he's walking in that direction. Backwards. The lady is walking backwards, so she's walking in that direction. Towards. The children are walking towards the bus, so they're walking in the direction of the bus. Away from. The man is walking away from the fire, so it's away from the fire, not towards it. Across. The bear is walking across the road. Around. The boy is walking around in circles. Between. The ball was kicked between the posts. Here are some exercises that students could be given. Students could be asked to give specific directions to each other for walking around the classroom. Students could be asked to give specific directions to each other for walking around the schoolyard. An obstacle course could be created in some section of the schoolyard. Students could be given directions about how to negotiate such a course. Students could be asked to brainstorm other words that could be used for following directions. So this video has introduced students to a few words that are used when following directions, and a few simple exercises have been suggested. And I'm sure the teachers can think of many others.